Are you looking for the best RV sofa beds? Then you are welcome our RS Store channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best RV sofa beds that are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Best Choice Folding Futon Sofa Bed. Best Choice products offer a superb RV replacement sofa bed with futon that I love so much. This convertible folding futon sofa bed isn't only perfect for sleeping, but it also suits best for watching games and movies on the TV. I love the adjustable backrest because it can be set into 3 different positions. My favorite is the drop-down console featuring 2 drink holders because it makes it perfect for movie nights. When it's time to sleep, it only takes a few seconds to remove the arms and adjust the back in its full recline position. I feel like the linen fabric upholstery is durable enough to last for many years. In addition, this type of textile seems to keep me cool during the hot days. More impressively, it's very easy to spot clean with a mild detergent once it gets stained. Unexpectedly, assembly was a breeze because I only put the legs on the product. I like the fact that the pillows are removable because I can make a spacious sleeping area without them. Additionally, the entire sofa bed seems strong because 4 sturdy chrome legs support the entire weight. Pros. Adjusts to 3 recline positions for better comfort. Features 2 beverage holders in the middle. Assembles and transforms into a bed within seconds. Cons. A bit uncomfortable to sleep on due to lack of cushion. Number 2. DynastyMattress V Sofa Bed. The DynastyMattress Cool Gel Memory Foam is designed to fit all sofa beds. When my RV Air Mattress YAHEETECH sofa got worn out, I tried to salvage it by replacing the old mattress with this one. I love the mattress because it conforms to my spine and aligns it with my neck comfortably. It's designed with a foam base and a gel plush memory foam layer on top, which I find very comfortable. I never break a sweat, even when sleeping in hot weather. Another good feature of this product is the size because it's the same as a full-size bed mattress. Therefore, it can accommodate 2 people easily. Thankfully, the mattress comes with a washable zipper cover, so I can put it in the washer for cleaning. This mattress was a big improvement because I didn't feel the metal bars or springs on my back like what I did to other sofa beds. Also, I appreciate that the package arrived suctioned to save me the burden of carrying it inside my RV. Fortunately, the mattress was easy to remove from the plastic wrapping. Pros. Cool gel top layer makes it feel cool to sleep during warm temperatures. Very comfortable to sleep on without the feel of springs or coils. Can help the spine and neck properly align. Cons. Won't roll back up inside the sofa bed. Number 3. YAHEETECH Convertible RV Sofa Bed. This convertible sofa bed is another versatile piece of furniture that can be used in the RV. This furniture can turn into a bed, recline at 3 angles, and hold 2 beverage cups. I like the drop-down console in the middle because it can hold 2 beverages for a perfect movie night. The backrest also adjusts into 3 different angles to help me find the most comfortable reclining position. I found 140 degrees to be my sweet spot when reading and watching TV. The entire design of the RV sofa bed is very posh. The faux leather looks luxurious, while the metal legs appear to be stylish with their slightly slanted design. If not abused, I believe that this RV sofa can last long. My favorite is the removable pillows because they also serve as armrests while sitting. Converting this product into a bed is also very quick. Best of all, the assembly only needs the attachment of the legs, so it was very straightforward. Pros. Reclines into 3 different angles. Has a built-in drink holder in the middle. Looks stylish with the metal legs. Cons. Sits very low, almost near the ground. Number 4. Serta Palisades Upholstered RV Sofa Bed. Serta Palisades is a modern RV sofa that offers luxurious comfort when sitting, reading, or simply relaxing. I got the gray color, and I'm pleased with how versatile it is to match any decor in my RV living room. The thing I love most about this RV couch is its memory foam because it feels very comfortable that I can feel myself sinking into it. Even with daily use, I'm pleased how the pillowed back cushions still remain in shape. I believe that the memory foam is highly dense because it was able to retain its shape for a long time. Another thing that I'm impressed by is the product's packaging. The sofa came in a compact box that fits just right in my RV's narrow entryway. Moreover, the setup was incredibly easy because it only took me a few minutes to put the things together by myself. I've never felt so comfortable sitting on an RV sofa bed because the seat depth is within the comfortable range of 20 to 22 inches. Also, the polyester upholstery shows an excellent resilience against ugly sagging. Best of all, the color doesn't fade even when exposed to direct sunlight. What do we like? Comfortable to sit and relax. High-density foam stays in shape for a long time. Gray color matches on any decor. Comes in a secured, compact packaging. Quick to assemble within minutes. Number 5. Saemoza 4-in-1 Folding RV Sofa Sleeper Bed. Saemoza offers a multifunctional sofa bed that can transform into a chair, ottoman, lounger, and bed with ease. I bought it for my nephew who lives in Canada, and I think it suits just fine in his small RV. I'm actually quite impressed with the capacity of this small RV sofa bed because it can support a large weight. My nephew was around 400 pounds, and the sofa bed was able to carry him without any wobbling issues. My favorite is the adjustable backrest because it can be modified into 5 different angle positions. I really found this one cool because it can convert into an ottoman and bed real quick. This product also takes up less space, thanks to its unique folding design. Best of all, this sleeper sofa is lightweight enough to move and carry around anywhere. The linen fabric seems comfortable, plus the high-density foam comes with stereo lines to protect the spine. I like the hidden magnet as it helps fix the dust cover back into place. More importantly, there's no assembly needed because the product is ready to use right out of the box. Pros. Versatile as it can transform into different forms quickly. Lightweight yet offers a large weight capacity. No assembly required. Cons. A bit uneven at the base. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video. Don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get new update videos. Also check the description box to check the product's link.